Welcome back to SGS online class. Today in class 5 math in chapter 9 profit and loss. I will start worksheet question. First question is student. Mr. Lal buys pencil at rupees 250 per 100 and sells each at rupees 1.75. Find his loss or profit. Student, Mr. Lal is buying 100 pencil at rupees 250. So first we have to find out cost of one pencil and then only we can solve. So cost of 100 pencil is equal to rupees 250. Now cost of one pencil is equal to rupees 250 divided by 100. So student, when you divide, you will get rupees 2.5. Now student, what selling price of one pencil is given rupees 1.75. Now students, see, selling price is less than cost price, then it is student what? Loss. And we know loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Now put the value. What is cost price, student? Rupees 2.5 minus selling price rupees 1.75. Now student, subtract rupees 2.5. We convert it into right decimal, student. 1.75. 10 minus 5, 5. Student. Now this will become 4. It will go 1 from here and it will become 14. 14 minus 7, 7. 1 minus 1, 0. So we get rupees 0.75. 0.75. This is our answer. Next question is student. Ram bought a second hand cycle for rupees 500. He spent rupees 80 in repairing and rupees 175 in repainting. He then sold it to Lalit for rupees 900. How much did he gain or lose? So student, cost price of a second hand cycle is equal to rupees 500. Now student, next I have already explained that overhead expenses. So these are overhead expenses, repairing and repainting. Clear? So what we do, we will add these overhead expenses in this cost price. So student, let's add plus repainting. Money is spent repairing and repainting. Repairing rupees 80, repainting rupees 175. Add 175 plus 80. 5, 7, 14, 115, 112. So student 255. Now we add this 255 to this cost price. Total cost price is equal to rupees 500 plus rupees 255 student. Now adding 5, 5, 5, 6, 7 rupees 755. This is total cost price. Now student, see, he sold at rupees 900. Selling price rupees 900. Selling price greater than cost price. So student, it is profit. Now we all know profit is equal to what? Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Now put the value. Selling price rupees 900, cost price rupees 755. Subtract 900 minus 755, 10 minus 5, 5, 9 minus 5, 4, 8 minus 7, 1. Rupees 145. So student, this is our answer. I hope you all have understood this question. Next question is that Tim bought a box of chocolates for rupees 650 and sold it to Tom at a profit of rupees 75. Find the selling price. So what is given? Cost price is equal to student rupees 650 and profit rupees 75. Selling price we have to find out. So student, we all know that selling price is equal to what? CP plus profit. I have explained. Now we put the value 650. Rupees 650 plus rupees 75. Now 5, 7, 3, 10 to 12, 6, 1, 7. See, 5, 7, 3, 10 to 12, 6, 1, 7. Rupees 725. This is our answer. Rahul bought pens at rupees 120 a dozen. He sold it for rupees 15 each. What is his profit percent? So student, what? Cost price of 12 pens is equal to rupees 120. Now cost price of 1 pen is equal to rupees 120 divided by 12. So it is 12 pen 120 rupees 10. Now selling price of 1 pen is equal to rupees 15. So student, see here, cost price is 10 and selling price is 15. So selling price is greater than cost price. It is profit. Now profit is equal to SP minus CP, means selling price minus cost price. Put the value. Selling price rupees 15 minus rupees 10, we got rupees 5 profit. Now student, profit percent. Profit percent is equal to profit upon CP into 100. Very easy. Put the value. Profit rupees 5 CP, cost price rupees 10 into 100, 10 100 student. Now 5 into 10 rupees 50. This is the profit, student. So profit is rupees, profit percent is 50. This is our answer. Next question, student. The cost of producing a calculator is rupees 350. The manufacturer wants to make a profit of 20%. At what price did he buy each bat at? So students, we all know cost price of calculator is rupees 350. Profit percent, student, %20. Now student, we have to find out profit. So student, we all know that profit percent is equal to profit upon CP into 100. So what we do is, student, very simple. What we have to find out? We have to find out profit. So profit is equal to profit percent into CP upon 100. Very simple, that we will do. So what we write? How much is profit percent? 20. Now into CP 350 upon 100. Zero cut, 35 into 2, 70. So student, this is our profit, rupees 70. Now student, next what we have to do? We have to find out selling price. Clear? We have profit, we have cost price, and I have explained when we have profit and when we have cost price, and we have to find out selling price. Selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. Selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. So cost price, student, rupees 350. 350 plus rupees 70, 7 3 10 to 12, rupees 420. 7 3 10 to 12, 3 1 4 4. 420. This is our selling price. This is our answer. I hope you all have understood. Worksheet is completed. Thank you.